Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple and easy banana bread recipe. The ingredients you will need are 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1.5 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of oil, 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of sugar, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 6 bananas. We're going to start off by mashing all of our bananas in a big bowl. After mashing the bananas, we're going to add the brown sugar, regular sugar, butter and oil, and the eggs, and we're going to mix everything well together. I'm also going to add a little bit of flour to the chocolate chips to prevent them from sinking to the bottom. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of salt to the flour and the baking soda. Now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. Now we're going to combine our wet and dry ingredients together. I added my baking soda to the flour and we're going to sieve that in. Mix everything in until incorporated. Do not overmix the batter. Finally, we're going to add in our semi-sweet chocolate chips. Here I'm just buttering my loaf pan. This is just to ensure that the bread would not stick to the inside of the pan. Now we're going to add the mixture into our loaf pan. During this time, you can preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to smooth off the top, and we're going to make a little line through the center. This will ensure that there are no cracks on the top of the bread. Tap the pan to get any air bubbles out. Now we're going to put the banana bread in the oven and allow it to bake for 50 to 60 minutes. After about 50 minutes, I inserted a skewer and it came back a little bit wet, so I'm gonna bake it for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you guys can see the skewer came back very clean, which means our banana bread is ready. As you guys can see, this banana bread recipe is very simple and easy to make, and I'm sure you guys will love it. You guys can always cut the recipe in half to get a smaller banana bread, but honestly, it didn't even last an hour in my house. It's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.